time input type? Time input type is type that we use to create time input field. Time input field is field where you can enter time in a format, hours, minutes, and period of the day like AM or before noon and PM or afternoon. Okay, let's create one more input element. Let's define type and name HTML attribute. Like type for this one, let's set time. Like name, let's set time field. And let's set label for this field. So basically this is gonna be time input field. Okay, let's create some new lines after this input field. And let's save our changes. Okay, when we refresh our page, now we have time input field where you can enter time in format, hours, minutes, and period of the day like PM and IM. By default, this field is empty, but with value HTML attribute, we can set initial time for our time input field. Let's set 12 o'clock. Okay, so let's save this change. So now when we refresh page, we can see now we have 12 PM inside of this field. If we set something like 00:00 and save this change, now we'll have 12 IM. So basically this is time input field and this is how it works. Thanks for watching this tutorial and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate over PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.